Hello, I'm going to introduce you to the demand-driven materials requirement planning problem on Simio Academic. Um, First of all, let's take an overview of the case. Simio Shelving Shop is a shelving manufacturer and wholesaler specialized in several types of shelving units. At this moment, they are facing to low order rates, stockouts, and using static buffering. So they are looking for a solution. They started a process of revamping the inventory and improving the buffering system. That's why that is the main purpose of this presentation. So let's see the Simio Shelving Shop facility layout. As you can see, it is composed of many sections. We can see the receiving section, the shelf assembly cell, frame assembly cell, the back panel cell, the final assembly cell, and finally the shipping section. So we're going to talk in more detail of each of these sections. So let's start with the receiving section. It is composed of a quality workstation and a lumber inventory. In this area, all products and raw material is delivered from the is received from the providers. It is represented as a source, servers, and inventory in the Simio model. Um, Now let's talk about the assembly process. It has three sub-assembly processes, which are the frame assembly, shelf assembly, and the back panel. Let's start with the shelf assembly. It is composed by one cutting station, one routing station, three drilling stations, two assembly stations, one screw inventory, one brackets inventory, and one shelf assembly. As you can see, this is the layout of this cell, and all the product that is processed it is stored in the shelf assembly. All the shells are stored here, where it is going to be taken from other cells to continue the process of the manufacturing process. Now let's talk about the frame assembly. It is composed of two cutting stations, three drilling stations, one assembly station, the screws inventory, and the brackets inventory. Finally, all the manufacturer product, um, it is going to be stored in the frame assembly. Now let's talk about the back panel cell, where we have one cutting station, three drilling stations, two sanding stations, two painting stations, one carrying station, one lumber inventory, and one paint inventory. It is the same process here. Well, it is not the same process, talking about the product and all the project processes that are that this product it is um, you know all the process. Finally, here we produce the back panels. The back panels are going to be stored in the back panel inventory that is located in the final assembly. In the final assembly, we have many workstations: the assembly, sanding, painting, curing workstations. We have the touch panel station too, where we are going to attach the back panels that are stored in the inventory. Well, we have a screws inventory, brackets inventory, paint inventory for the other processes that are involved in this cell. Finally, we have the shipping section. In this shipping section, we have the inventory of the final shells. That is the final product. The final product. Um, in the In this shipping area, the final product is stored where it will be prepared for the shipping and sales. Well, Now in the review, we can see the Simio model that simulates the process of manufacturing shells, all the measured process where we can identify better practices for acquiring better results, and the KPIs expected. Thank you.